Hello there, everybody. This Uncle Euro sunning himself. Let's see if he comes over to eat some lentils. Alright, I got some in my hand here. Let's see what he does. He had some earlier, so he may not be that hungry, but he's looking at him. Because the camera wasn't here, and he's looking at the camera right now. Come on. Look at the poor guy's camera shy. He's looking right at he's looking right at the camera. Come on. Here he comes. He loves those lentils. Here he goes. Yeah, he's warming up over there. I just gave him some lentils. I figured I'd get him on film. Getting to be a bigger guy now. He's about a foot long now. And let's see, what is he? He's a little over 2 years old, I guess. Yeah, he's not used to that camera. He don't really like it. But he loves his lentils, so I guess he'll make exceptions. Oh, I guess he's all done now. How you doing? Oh, he's gonna go down his little hide. There he goes. Oh, see you, everybody. That's Uncle Euro. See you later.